Hey beauties, welcome to Blush Like Beauty. It's that time of the month again where I do my monthly Glossybox unboxing, and this October we have two special Halloween theme boxes, and today I will be unboxing one of them. So let's get started. Before I start, I just want to show you my autumn nails that I did today. What do you think? I went with this nude brown color, as you can see, to give me that warm autumn vibe. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. I also did my makeup today using Zoeva limited edition box from Glossybox. So if you're interested to see what products are there in the Zoeva limited edition box, I will link in the description box below the link that goes straight to IGTV video where I have done the unboxing for my Instagram. So yeah, do check it out and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Anyways, on with the unboxing. Today I will be unboxing this Midnight Fantasy beauty box. Like I said before, there are two themes this October, so you will either get this Midnight Fantasy theme box or you get Enchanted Spirit theme box. Both of the design are very magical and mystical to give you that fairy tale fantasy vibe. Just to give a quick recap for those who are new to Glossybox, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription service where every month you get 5 hand-picked beauty products worth over £50 delivered straight to your doorstep, and you can get your first box for as little as £11.50 using my exclusive discount code BlushLive. You can find link in the description box below, so do check them out if you haven't subscribed to them already. Now let's open this box. Ta-da! Okay, so as always, as you can see there, it comes with product leaflet, so that's the one for this month, and you can see Midnight Fantasy, which is what I'm going to unbox today, and also the Enchanted Spirit. Once upon a time, in a land ruled by enchanting spirits, the beauty tales, a mystical folklore revered as holding the secrets to eternal beauty and youth, were shared far and wide across Glossitania. One day, though, invaders conquered the land and dismissed these stories as midnight fantasy. They forbid individuals from writing or sharing them, but one brave Glossy did. Uncovered thousands of years later in Glossy archives, we're bringing those magical tricks back to life with bewitching products that enhance your beauty, filled with 5 entrancing lotions and potions. You can use the concoctions inside this edit to brew supernatural recipes that relax and soothe your mind. Prepare elixirs that transform the look and feel of your skin and create spellbinding guises that enthrall and ensnare. And what a story that was. They've also included this another leaflet. It's a Look Fantastic foundation finder. It says, find your perfect foundation shade in an instant only at lookfantastic.com. Scan the QR code that's at the front of this card and follow the link. Answer 3 simple questions about your preferred foundation coverage and skin type. Take a selfie and discover the best foundation for you. Interesting. I will link Look Fantastic website in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check it out, as this does sound very handy. In fact, I will probably go and check it out myself. There we go. Wow. So, as you can see, these are all the products that's in there. I'm going to go through them individually for you. Guess what, guys? The first thing that I laid my eyes on was this little chocolate treat. It's so bad that I actually picked that as the first one. So this is a bit of an extra treat this month. It's the Cadbury Dairy Milk, both rich and creamy original. So yeah, I'm going to be eating that after I finish filming this video. Moving on to the actual product itself, the first one we have is this one, and this is the AHC essential real eye cream for face. According to the product leaflet itself, it is the elixir of youth. This face cream has all the benefits of a concentrated eye cream but can be used on your whole face. It's brewed with peptides and vitamins. It's light well gel that balances out the texture of your skin, providing intense hydration and making it firmer after just one use. So wow, I can't wait to use it because this sounds like it's very rich and promising. So yeah, I will try that very soon and let you know how it is. This is a 10ml deluxe mini worth £8.66. Full size at 30ml costs £26. The second product in the box is this bubble tea. It's their Stardust Foaming Bath Powder in Rose, and it's £5.99 for a full size, and this is a full size. Now, according to the product leaflet itself, it says, create a mood-boosting concoction to bathe in thanks to this mystical stardust. Its uplifting rose scent will not only make you smell great but feel fabulous too. So all you need to do is sprinkle it into your bath and then just enjoy it. The third product we have is this lipstick. It's the Luna by Luna Pixie lipstick, and this is a full size at £15. Let me show you what the color looks like. La, la, la. Let's see. Ooh, nice blue packaging, and that's what the color looks like. It's a pretty pink color, as you can see. And again, according to the product leaflet, it says this lipstick is so luscious you'll think that it's been plucked right out of a fairy tale. Its smooth formula glides effortlessly onto your lips, covering them in a creamy and rich pigment that stays put for hours. Better yet, it won't dry, fade, or settle into lip lines. That's so good. Simply sweep it onto your lips for a plush looking princess worthy pout. Ooh, love that. This is the fourth product we have in the box, and this is Ilamasca Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. It's a deluxe mini that's worth £10, and the full size retails at £34. This is meant to be a part hydrator, part primer. It's meant to instantly hydrate and smooth your skin through self-leveling clear gel. It has microalgae, vitamin C and B3, which works together to help maintain your skin's hydration level by creating a healthy looking balanced finish. Plant extracts also provide a calming and refreshing feeling, leaving skin fully prepped to apply your chosen foundation. Now, I have heard a lot of good things about this primer, and I must say I have tried it a very long time ago when my friend had it, and it was such a good primer to use. So I'm really looking forward to trying it again because it's been many years since I last used this primer. And finally, the last product we have in this beauty box is this Stargazing Blush Duo by the Beauty Crop, and this is a full size worth £18. And look how pretty the packaging is. I love it. It all goes with the theme. All of the products that I showed you today goes with the theme of this month's October box. So yeah, that's the color. So pretty. It is like the kind of blush shade I would go for. So you've got this sort of a rose goldy shade right here, and also a pink shade right here. And I am really going to enjoy using these blushes because these are two of my go-to blush colors that I normally use. Going back to the product leaflet itself, it says, get ready to create spellbinding looks thanks to this duo of blushes, combining a matte hue with a shimmery shade. These velvety smooth pressed powders can be mixed and matched to create your desired entrancing effect. Sweep the matte formula onto the apple of your cheeks for a healthy flush of color, or apply the dazzling shade for a lit from within glow. And that's all the 5 products we have in this month's Halloween Midnight Fantasy theme box, which I absolutely love unboxing. It definitely took me back to once upon a time, fairy tale of enchanted spirits and midnight fantasy. I hope you enjoyed watching this beauty box unboxing with me, and if you'd like to get your hands on these magical beauty boxes, then do subscribe to Glossybox using my discount code BlushLive, with link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram for more. Bye beauties. Mwah.